Oh, it's good. Went for it.
It's a lovely day. I've misjudged the weather. I've misjudged it massively. I'm too hot.
You have. Well, yeah, no, it's a great day. Yeah, really nice. I think they've just opened this, haven't they?
It only opened yesterday. Today's Tuesday. No,
it's not.
today's
Monday.
They opened today. I don't know what day it is. So we're going to have a quick look round. It's very loud, so I don't know what footage we're going to be able to get because of copyright. So
and if you can hear us, who knows? We're trying to...
We'll get some GoPro footage for you and we'll show you around. So we'll see you soon.
See ya.
Oh dear. Oh, my shoulders. No need for that brake then. Oh. Right, lots of talking because of the music, no copyright.
We're not stopping talking. No, that was really good actually. That was pretty fast, pretty intense. That brake though, oh, shoulders on that.
You've got a seatbelt over your shoulders and it really, really hurts when it throws you forward. It's quite sore on the old shoulders, but apart from that, it was good fun.
Yeah, it was really good fun. I enjoyed that.
It was nice. It's nice to get some POVs as well now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Top Thrill Tourist.
Top Thrill Tourist. Thank you.
Hello.
Hey.
What did you think of the Cyclone coaster?
Hey, good.
Was it good?
I hurt my shoulders.
You hurt your shoulders too? Yeah, it's a bit sore, isn't it?
Yeah.
But apart from that, was it good fun?
Yeah.
Should we go and find some more rides to do?
Yeah.
So we've got the Dragon Challenge Kids coaster.
Get the cred.
Carl needs the cred. I realised I've already got this cred. This used to be at Alton Towers, so I've already got it. Unlucky. So Carl's going to go on with the kids. I think Johnny's got to go on and get the cred as well. Do you need the cred? We all need the cred. Look at him. Absolutely shameless. Grown adults on the kiddie cred. Grown adults. is they've got a serious wasp problem. Whoa! On me. A serious wasp problem. I know it's a hot day and there's all sorts of sweets and drinks around and food and they all hover, but there's thousands of them. Little Lola Rose has already been stung on the head by one. There's hundreds of them. I mean, it's a fun fair theme park thing, isn't it? Wasps, but they are everywhere. They keep flying into your face. Ugh.
I tell you what.
How was that?
That was sore. Your leg
are sore.
But I tell you what, the little first whip round to the first drop, back row.
Airtime machine. Was that good? Did you not like it? Finley elbowed you in the eye. Oh dear. How was that, Caleb? How was that, everybody?
2 minutes, I'll never get back.
Well, you can tick it off your list now. How was that, Lola Rose? Was that really fun?
Yeah.
Is that another one? How many creds is that for you now? 52 creds. This could go terribly, terribly wrong.
Well, one looks like they want to come back already.
Are they going to get in or not? Up them stairs?
Okay, look.
She's doing it. She's getting up the stairs. Come on, Lola Rose. Hey, come on. That's it. Are you having fun?
Are we having fun?
Is it really good? Take your time. I'm filming while there's no music on.
Yeah.
Get the contact while the music's gone off. Everybody in! Everybody in! Chaos! 5 hours later, the kids are still in the fun house. I mean, I'm all for value for money, but I got rides I want to get on, you know what I mean? Are you ready?
Here we go, Johnny.
It's alright, not so bad, mate.
Yeah, this is alright, isn't it?
Good views.
Yeah. Oh, here we go now. Oh, shit. Oh, God. Oh. 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 Oh my God, but you got great pictures of the sea there.
Feel that.
Oh yeah. Oh. Right, let's try and spin this around the rest of it on us. You're right there, Johnny. Here we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, whoa. Oh, shit. Oh, this is brilliant. Oh, God. Here we go, going back up over in a minute. Oh, what's carrying Johnny? Shit! Whoa! Oh my God! Oh! There we go. What do you think of that, Johnny?
Where's toilets?
Oh, that was good, that. Very good.
How was that?
That was mean.
Was it good?
Oh, first was very good, I want it. Oh, views as well, you'll love them, Emma.
Good views.
The views are gorgeous, if you could see them.
Did you not nearly knock yourself out like I did last time I did it?
No, but when you let them go, it was alright swinging a little bit, and then all of a sudden it went round. Oh, definitely.
It looked scary. It looked like they held you at the top for a long time.
Yeah, yeah.
No thanks, I'm good.
So good. Really good.
Well, that's good then. What did you think, Johnny?
Oh, brilliant. Great views. Fantastic.
Great views. Is that, oh, that's all you both said. Lovely views.
You feel it on your face.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
We come to a fun fair and all they want to do is the rides that you can get at Tesco. Honestly, you've got all these beautiful rides and you're sat on there.
Seriously, the horses just went on my
How many kids can you get on a ride? Here they are. Oh, we got to see there's Johnny and Lola Rose. It's absolutely flying round. The kids look petrified. They're in the orange car when they come round. That's my Lola screaming. How was that, Lola?
God, man, shivering.
You too what?
Shivering.
Too dizzy? I heard you screaming from here. How was that, Lola Rose? Was that good fun?
I was really screaming at that.
I heard you. Trust me, we all heard you. How was that, Johnny?
I'm a bit deaf now.
I was going to say, how's your eardrums?
I know. Terrible.
Did you get a good spin? Was it spinning loads?
Okay, now you holding on to me.
I know.
It was like, I didn't do it, like going on and going on.
You were on there for ages.
Yeah, that was fun.
Was it good fun though?
You'll do it, I don't know. Oh my goodness!
waterfalls for me, I'll tell you that right now. How was that, Lola Rose? Were they good?
It was really
Was it high? Was it really high? Was it high up there?
Yeah.
Was it horrible? It looked disgusting.
Pulled the GoPro on Lola Rose. I said, do you like it? She went, yeah, I saw the fly.
Here we go, Johnny and Lola Rose on the Miami. So we have come to the end of our day at Barry Island Pleasure Park, and it was lovely.
It really was. I've really
nice.
enjoyed it. It's been great. Yeah, great day. Long journey here though.
It did take 4 hours
Yeah.
to get here, I'll not lie, but we're down here to do Oakwood, so we thought we'd come and get the creds, so to speak, from here. So there was 2 to get, I'd already done 1, so I can tick that one off my list.
Yeah, no, it's been really good. Weather's been great.
Absolutely boiling, right? The weather lied to us. It said it was 17 degrees, we've got here and it's 23. I am sweating my backside off.
Well, Luce, what's that for putting jeans on?
Well, it didn't say it was going to be hot, so I put my jeans on. But yeah, it was lovely. The rides were reasonably priced. The bigger ones were £4.
Yeah.
Then the waltzers and the bumper cars and that lot were £3, and the kids' rides were £2. But you do have to buy your tokens from the cash desk or whatever it's called.
It's a little machine, so they do accept cards as well, and they do accept cash.
In terms of social distancing and things like that?
Not a thing, no.
No, there's not a lot going on, I'm not lying.
Everything's open today in Wales, and I think everyone's just been a bit bored, stuck at home, so everyone's come out. It's been a gorgeous day and it has been very busy.
Yeah, but I think all you can do is look after yourself.
Yeah.
And we just made sure we cleaned our hands after every ride, before and after. But apart from that, it was nice, and it's nice to get somewhere that we've never been before.
Yes.
So, yeah, so we'll be in Oakwood tomorrow. I don't know which one's going to go on first, Oakwood or this one. So it might be back to front.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Who knows?
But thank you for watching.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment and share. And we will see you next time. See you later.
Bye.